All right, lobster mushroom fritters. Fresh lobster mushrooms, fantastic from the forest. Get yourself a box grater. And this is best done with shredded up one. So get them on the finest settings here. You could chop them really fine, but I find the box grater just works really well because these are not gonna cook that long. You're gonna want about a cup of shredded or grated lobster mushrooms. So I think I've probably just got that in 2 of these here. There we go. Throw it into the bowl there. And to this, we are going to add 1 egg, half a cup of flour. I'm gonna grind some fresh stuff here. I'll play you some grinding music. There we go. Into that we add about half a cup of flour, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I think some fresh dill here goes really nicely with those lobster mushrooms. Beautiful. Mix that up together. And you may need to add a little bit of liquid if you want, some milk or water or something like that. Just depends. You want kind of this to be a thick pancake consistency. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of milk in there. All right, just something to bring that together. The mushrooms are gonna give up some of their liquid as they're cooking and kind of bring that to a bit more better consistency, but there we go. All right, I'm gonna let that sit and absorb a little bit. I'm going to turn on my pan to medium-high heat and add a little bit of butter and some oil so it doesn't burn. You wanna get those fritters you wanna get that pan nice and hot for the fritters. In the meantime, while that's heating up, a little bit of a sauce to go on top of the fritters. These are kind of like pancakes or fritters or bellinis, if you will. I'm gonna put a nice little yogurt sauce together for that. We'll get about a half a cup of full fat yogurt, zest in a lemon, and add about half the juice. A little pinch of salt. And you could do this with cilantro, you could do this with some chives or something like that. It would be great. Let me get out a spoon. Just mix that together. And you know what? I've got a little extra dill here. I'm just gonna put a little extra dill ends on that. Save a few for some garnish after. There you go. Lovely, nice, creamy sauce. Let that sit while you're cooking your fritters. Once that pan with the butter and oil is nice and hot, take your lobster mushroom mixture and spoon in nice little dollops. Press them down, just like so. Don't crowd the pan, you want to get them nice and crispy on the outside. Just push those down a little bit. And you want to leave them about 2-3 minutes aside, depending on how hot your pan is, until they're golden brown and delicious. All right, those look like they're nice and golden on the edges. Give them a little flip here. Oh, nice little crust on the outside. That one could probably use a little bit more heat in the middle, but we'll just flip them over again a little bit later. Oh, the smell of the lobster mushrooms is delicious here, along with that nice little bit of dill and fresh flour. As soon as those are nice and crispy on both sides, take them to the plate. Spoon on a little bit of your nice yogurt sauce. Maybe a little extra dill for garnish. and you have yourself a fantastic snack, dinner, breakfast, whatever you like. Oh, the lemon and the yogurt mixed with the lobster mushroom and the dill, fantastic.